What to do in your first 30 days after launching. Welcome to Success Spark Wisdom. In today's video, we are diving into the crucial first 30 days after launching your project, business, or product. This period is vital for setting the foundation for your future success, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, the moment you launch, it can feel overwhelming. You might be filled with excitement, but it's important to channel that energy into productive actions. The first step is to gather feedback. Reach out to your early users, customers, or audience members. Ask them about their experience. What do they love? What challenges did they face? Use surveys or direct conversations to gather this information. Their insights will help you refine your offering and improve your overall strategy. Next, focus on building your community. Engage with your audience on social media and other platforms. Respond to comments, answer questions, and thank them for their support. This interaction not only strengthens relationships, but also encourages others to join the conversation. A loyal community can be one of your greatest assets, so invest time in nurturing it. As you continue to gather feedback and engage with your audience, take a moment to assess your marketing strategy. Analyze what's working and what's not. Are your promotional efforts reaching the right people? Consider running targeted ads or collaborating with influencers who align with your brand. This can help you expand your reach and attract more potential customers. Another essential action during these first 30 days is to monitor your metrics. Whether it's website traffic, social media engagement, or sales figures, keeping an eye on these numbers will help you understand your growth. Identify trends and patterns in the data. This information can guide your decision-making moving forward, allowing you to pivot if necessary. Now, let's talk about content. Content is king, and during this time, you should be creating and sharing valuable content that resonates with your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, or social media updates. The goal is to establish yourself as an authority in your niche while providing your audience with information they find useful. Don't forget about refining your product or service based on the feedback you receive. This may involve making adjustments, adding new features, or even rethinking your entire approach. The key is to remain flexible and open to change. Your ability to adapt will be crucial to your long-term success. As you approach the end of your first month, consider hosting a launch event or a special promotion. This could be an online webinar, a live Q&A, or a special discount for your early customers. This not only generates excitement, but also encourages people to engage with your brand further. Finally, take time for reflection. Look back at what you've accomplished in the first 30 days. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Reflect on what you've learned and how you can improve moving forward. This practice of reflection will keep you grounded and focused as you continue on your journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Success Spark Wisdom for more insights and tips on achieving your goals. Remember, the first month is just the beginning. Stay focused, stay engaged, and you'll be well on your way to success.